Second question I'm launching. Again, click on new notebook. Let me launch that new notebook. I'm giving a name as second program I'm giving. Second one is that removing a duplicates. A duplicate. So this is the second question I'm doing. So first step is import PySpark. Next step is from PySpark dot SQL import Spark session. So I took small data. One is maybe I should only this is my marketing, finance, sales. Yeah, this is the data. Let me take the column. Different way I'm declaring. This is the schema I'm declaring. This is the way also. This is the another way we can declare like this. Employee name, department, salary. TF is equal to spark dot create data frame. Data is equal to data. Schema is equal to column. This is column comparing. And df dot print schema. Just type control and that. This is the schema created, right? So this is the schema actual available. Employee name, department name. This is okay. Now df dot show method. This is the data. Okay. Now what is the duplicate value? James sales 3000. James sales 7000. Okay. Let me make it as a duplicate data. This is three times. Two times will be there. Maybe you can assume like this. The two times will be there. Okay. And this one, the James data, two times will be there. Now I want to remove this two times. Let me execute now. This two times showing. So is one time, the same data. So what I'm trying to do, like here I'm trying to um, remove the duplicates. I mean, we want to show the only distinct data.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir, sir, there is a James sales 3000, right? Sir, sir, one James, why don't you take like 4000 or 5000 and let's see.
no. Here see, employee name is same, na?
Mm-hmm.
Department name is same. Salary also same. Why this
Yeah,
record two times? I want to visible only one time. That is my requirement. I want
out.
to remove
Yes,
the
sir. Yes, sir. I
duplicates.
totally understand, sir. I totally
Yeah,
understand that, sir. Removing of duplicate data or repeating
yeah,
data, right?
yeah.
Sir, in that column, why don't you take salary? There are like 3,000 for James, right?
Yeah.
Why don't you take 4,000, one 4,000 and one 5,000? So how it will be? Sir, can at that time that removing function will work?
No, this is the data. First of all, see, let me complete my solution and I will complete. Do not understand first of all. This is the first record, man. This is the second record. This is the third record. Fourth record. Where here can you compare with the employee name? Here matches. Saves. This is the record matches with this record. So I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
let me complete first. This is the
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll wait.
this is the time two times showing. So I don't want to show two times. I want to show only one time. So that is the way distinct values I want to show. So that is where we can say like distinct df something. We can create any df1 or something like this. Here df dot there is a one predefined function is there distinct function is there. So now this is where now can you come now we can check how many rows showing. What is missing? Distinct. Yeah, n is missing. This distinct. See, these how many showing? Now here distinct means James says 3000. Only one time missing. We can see, look at the data. See how many times showing? Only one time. If you want the count means also I can check it. If you want the count also I can check it. The count I can say like print of distinct count plus str. This is the data frame dot count function. How many records we can see? How many records? Seven records. Distinct count. Before distinct function, this is the data. Na? These are before duplicate. Actual records we can also count it. Actual record also we can count it. Actual count means we are removing this df dot count function. Actual count also you can check it. How many records? Actual record 8 records, but distinct record 7 records because we are removing one record. This is the one function to remove this. This is the one way. This is the one method to remove this one. Because distinct method is there. Distinct method is there to remove this. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the one way we can remove the distinct. There is another way also is there. We can remove the duplicates also. There is, I will show you. This is the second method to remove the duplicates. Maybe I can assume like drop df, some name, any name. This is the name, data frame. df dot drop duplicates. Drop duplicates. So we are trying to remove the drop duplicates in the department, employee name. So these are the distinct count of department 7. These are the 7 way. So drop duplicates. These also we can count it. Take it. These are the 7 records count. Distinct count using the drop duplicates method. This is the actual schema. So here, uh, these are the actual data. Then we can go for actual count is 8, distinct count is 7. Then distinct count of drop duplicates is again 7 1. So drop duplicates also 7 only coming. Okay. So this is we can remove the duplicates also. Got it? So he knows please ask me.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can I ask my question right now?
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, we have a data, right? So in the data, there are like two James, right? For two James, one James have 3,000 of salary and the other James has 5,000 of salary. So it means the two different values, right?
No, man, only one data. See, 3,000, 3,000. Again, you are asking same thing. This is the 3,000, 3,000, not 7,000. If you change 7,000, this is a distinct record.
Okay. Now I got it. Yes.
Yeah, any more doubts?
No, sir.
Any more doubts? Yeah, these are the two functions. Today I can practice. Tomorrow I will teach you a few more examples. That's today's the first class now. Because trying to set up everyone that examples, then we can go for tomorrow's class. Because tomorrow also I am trying to go for because I'm trying to cover 30 programs like that I'm planning. It's just drop duplicate means how to create a data frame, how to set up the database account. Three things trying to do by today. Let me stop sharing.